Hello YouTube, welcome to 2024. Well, technically today is December 22nd, 2023, but that's alright. We got some new 2024 Hot Wheels to open up. These are dropping all over the place, and this is awesome. I grabbed these at my Walmart, and these are some of the new 2024 Hot Wheels. As you can see, the 2024 Hot Wheels have a little bit of a white background back here. 2023s don't have that white background. All right, well, here's some brand new ones from the A case, and just 8 of them. We're gonna crack them open today, and yeah, let's review these. So the super of the case was the Ford Escort RS2000 in green. We only have the main line here because, of course, with my luck, I don't find that many supers. Factory fresh, 1 out of 10, number 23 on the year, and there you go. This casting came out last year. And we are seeing it in a nice new lime green color. Very clean details on this one. We saw this one in white, then red, then black in 2022, and this is the 2023, and then this is the 2024 release there. Beautiful lime green color. It's alright. It's a nice color, I guess. Kind of a pea green, maybe. Black interior on this one, 5 spokes in chrome. There are the details there. Very nice. And there is the back there. Nice little Escort with a lime green plastic base. Here's one pretty model, the Ford GT40 in white, number 8, factory fresh, 2 out of 10. This time, number 12 on the year. Let's check this out, guys. So, yeah, I figured I should do more outside videos because the lighting is way better out here. I think. Well, maybe I got a bad camera angle, but I'm not sure. Alright, so matte white on this one. This is not a gloss white. This is matte white. Look at those 5 spokes. Very nice. Very nice. I love the Ford GT40s. They're very, very pretty casting. And there you guys go. Nice look at this classic race car. And black stripes, number 8. Very nice. Check that out. Beautiful new 2024 Hot Wheels coming out here. This has a black or dark gray plastic base. Hard to tell from the camera angle. There you go. Pretty. Alright, what's next? Okay, 1970 Plymouth Barracuda with the E10 spokes, the exotic 10-spoke wheels. And I like it because it's a new kind of wheel type. Hot Wheels Roadster series. Alright, this casting's been out since like 97 or something. They're still making it. It's pretty cool. Newest release of it. Metallic blue with the hood scoop there. Black interior, convertible. See, wheels spin alright? Yeah, they spin fine. There you go, 1970 Plymouth Barracuda. If you guys are just dropping in, this is your first time seeing the channel, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel for more videos. Gray plastic base on this one. Interesting that they decided to put the E10 spokes on this. But yeah, not a bad looking casting. I think this is my first or second one of this casting. I think first. Pretty nice model. Mopar on that. Alrighty. Alright, Mighty K from the Compact Kings. New color of this Mighty K. They're making a Zamac one. I haven't seen that one yet. I doubt I'll find it, but can always hope. I have almost every single color of this, except for the rare ones, of course. The first one, actually, was tribute to U.S.S, and it was a Spectra Flame red one, and it's very rare. I think it's only like for employees or something. And then they made a super, and now they're making the Zamac one. Alright, this is a surf and skate release. You got the surf skateboard in the back with the 5-spoke wheel back there. That is always very nice. I apologize, the shadows might be bad, but it's hard to tell. Kind of a metallic grayish blue color. They decided to put aero discs on this release. Pretty interesting. Nice little model though, very cool. It's a mini Japanese truck. And yeah, check that out, guys. Another color to add to the collection. Here's the Monster High Ghoul Mobile from the Screen Time series. I don't think I've ever heard of Monster High. I'm not quite familiar with that. This is a new model for 2024. Can read that if you'd like. It doesn't say how many seconds it goes 0 to 60 in. Once again, not familiar with this show, but I saw this one selling for a little bit, so I decided to grab it. It's a pretty interesting model. Usually we go crazy for these Screen Time vehicles, but I'm not too familiar with this one. But magenta, kind of a mauve purple maybe. Hot pink interior. Very cool. Spider webs on this one. There's the front there. Hard to review cars that you're not familiar with, but there's this, so I just decided to grab it. Pink 10 spokes. Chrome pink 10 spokes. That's very interesting. I like the color of the wheels. Check that out, guys. Brand new 2024 model. We have another new for 2024 model, the Czinger 21C. I don't know how to pronounce that, so forgive me if I pronounced it wrong. All right, it's an electric car. Let's see. Born in Los Angeles, Czinger vehicles, rule the road, fighter, jet style cockpit, hypercar, V8, twin turbos, 1250 horsepower. Doesn't say the 0 to 60. It's probably like around 2 seconds or under. Oh, beautiful blue. Beautiful blue. Love it. Love the color. Gray Y5 spokes. These actually don't spin bad. Let's give them a little spin. And they spin all right. There's the detail there. Pretty interesting. Never seen anything like this before. I never heard of this. Sometimes Hot Wheels can give you a little insight on what's new in the electric hypercar market. There's the tail lights. Nice detailing. I love the color and the wheel choice for this model. Looks like a single driver, perhaps. Nice big wing in the back. Frontal details as well. Brand new model. I wonder what other colors are going to come out of this. I know I didn't know that the Rimac Nevera was a thing until Hot Wheels came out with it, so who knows? Another model from the Green Speed series, the Volvo XC40 Recharge. I haven't even opened the 2023 release. That was a green one. This is a blue one. Brand new for 2023 model, and this is the 2024 recolor. The packaging says 2021, because that's when the packaging was designed. Crack it open. Nice little off-road Volvo. I didn't really expect this out of a Hot Wheels, but it's electric, so they made it, I guess. I like the color scheme, the metallic blue. And actually, this is kind of like a metallic, kind of a pearl green. No, it's hard to see in the sunlight now. When you're indoors, it looks more of like a green pearlescent, but this is a beautiful metallic blue. Gray beadlock off-road wheels. Look at that. They put detail in the back. XC40. Some skateboards. Those are skateboards, right? I can't really tell. Okay. Anyway, looks like it. Anyway, Volvo XC40 white and yellow striping on this one. Interesting off-road electric Volvo. I don't know if I'd want to own one of these, but doesn't look bad as a Hot Wheels. Look at that. Kind of a mean ride for a Volvo. Plastic base as always. All right, and the U.S.S. Enterprise NCC 1701 from Star Trek. This is the Screen Time 2 of 10 and number 4 on the year. This is the 2024 release of it. The 2020, I think they released it in 2022 as well. And that release didn't have this red stripe. And it had a blue stand. This one has a black stand. All right, let's check it out. 2 of these are going to be in my collection now. It's going to be kind of hard to open something like this, so we're just going to have to like grab it where we can and just pop it open. That was pretty easy. Had a little protector there. Gotta love that. And gotta be careful. These things chip really easily. This is all metal. This disc is all metal here. Usually you might see chips around the edge. Don't see any on this one, so that's good. There's the base there. You can read that if you'd like. It looks like an Aztec or an Aztec Mayan or a Mayan calendar or something. I don't know, man. NCC 1701, the red stripe there. Engines. Pretty cool little thing. I never watched Star Trek. I think it's too old for my time. I might watch it someday. There's the black stand there. It stands right up, along with the other cars we've opened today. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe for more, and we'll see you in the next one. And which one is your favorite? I don't know which one was my favorite. Probably the Ford or the Barracuda. And then I like the Escort as well. Escort's pretty. Probably the Ford, though. All right, guys. We'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.